Carl Junior's Bonjour. Let's do notes for the 31st of October, Sunday. Alright, so now we shall look at part A, grammar and sentence construction, direct to indirect speech. We did this a long time ago. Some of you remember, some of you have forgotten, and for some of you it's brand new. Alright, so let's see number one. Where are you going? He asked the dog. That was direct speech. Where are you going? He asked the dog. Alright, let's see what you told me. He asked the dog, where are you going? No, that is not correct. So if it's direct, you have to make it to indirect. You have to convert it into indirect speech or reported speech. So this would be incorrect. How was he speaking to the dog? Alright, so he asked the dog where it was going. Now that is much better. Okay, this is a question somebody asked, no problem. So he asked the dog where it was going. How was he speaking to the dog? In Woofy, you know, in Woofy, how. Alright, so he asked the dog where it was going, not where are you going, where it was going, because it is reported speech. Remember, it is reported, not direct, indirect or reported speech. Okay, number two, why don't you take a day off tomorrow? She said to me. Okay, she suggested that why don't you take a day off tomorrow? No. We are talking reported speech now, indirect, not why you, why I. She suggested that I should take off a day tomorrow. Okay, take off a day. That is not very correct. Why? Because take off a day is like removing a day. You can't really remove a day. Right. So she suggested that I should take a day off tomorrow. Alright. Good, but not fully correct. Why? Because where did should come from? There is no can, no should, no must, etc. in the original sentence. In the original sentence, there's nothing like that. There are no modals, nothing. So she suggested that I take a day off tomorrow. Okay. She suggested that I take a day off the next day. Very good. She suggested that I take a day off the following day. That is perfect. So if any of these three would be considered just fine. Alright, so remember, direct to reported or direct to indirect speech. Do not just copy paste the sentence. Right, you have to change it. Now you are not talking as the first person. You are reporting what somebody else said. Right, so please bear that in mind. Alright, part B, writing, changing sentence forms. Alright, we shall look at two sentence forms. The number one is, we shall look at hardly had done something when something happened. And number two, no sooner had done something than something happened or than something occurred. Alright, number one. He was punished because he behaved badly. So because of behaved badly, he was punished. No, that's not very good. Because he behaved badly, comma, he was punished. Good. Because of behaving badly, he was punished. Okay, so because of behaving badly, he was punished is okay. However, I prefer you do this one. Alright, this is just okay. Because he behaved badly, he was punished. All these, actually both of these are not, they're just too complicated. The original sentence was much clearer, but if this is a question in your tests, what are you going to do? You have to improvise, you have to give the correct form. Alright, so now let's go to hardly. Right, number two, the keeper had no sooner opened the cage door than the lion attacked him. So the keeper, not the goalkeeper, the zookeeper, had no sooner opened the cage door than the lion attacked him. So what's the meaning of that? It means the zookeeper had just opened the door and the lion attacked him, or when the lion attacked him. So hardly had the keeper opened the cage door. Hardly had he opened the door when the lion attacked him. Alright, number three, I just opened the door and my cat ran out. So hardly had I opened the door when my cat ran out. Or no sooner had I opened the door than my cat ran out. So only 3 sentences, but we'll do more later on. Alright, so let's see something simple now. Symbols and marks. Alright, so punctuation marks. Alright, so that's a stop or a period or a full stop. Alright, comma, open inverted commas, close inverted comma, or sometimes closed inverted commas as well. Doesn't matter. Open, close, or close, not pretty much the same. Semicolon, not colon, colon, semicolon, colon, slash or forward slash, backslash or reverse handed slash. Next we have is a question mark. Alright, everybody knows what a question mark is. Exclamation mark, everybody knows that. Asterisk, dash or hyphen. Alright, so these are the punctuation marks. You have to use them frequently. Alright, and then let's just finish off with some mathematical and other keyboard symbols. Alright, hash. So that is a hash. It's sometimes called a hashtag as well. Good, but or just a hash. So open bracket or open round bracket, because it is round like that. So open round bracket or close bracket or close round bracket. So that is plus or add or addition, whatever you want to call it. Next is minus or subtract. The next one is multiply. Okay, very good. The next one is divide or divided by or upon. What is upon? So 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 or 5 by 6. So this one has a few different names. Divide, divided by, upon, by. Alright, so open square bracket, so because it looks like a square, and close square bracket. Then equals or equals to. Equals 2. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's in US. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. Alright, both are the same. Depends where you are. Alright, lesser than and greater than. So lesser than and greater than. Right, so 5 is lesser than 6. Very good. And 6 is greater than 5. Okay, very good. Excellent. And the last we have CTRL is control. Very good. Everybody knew that. ALT is alternate. Okay. DL is deletes. Caps is caps lock, or an NUM is numeric or number lock. Alright, so that's all for the notes today. Please write your notes down and watch the other batches videos and have a good time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, adios.